Hey everyone, let's start the weekly forecast now. So before we do anything in this weekly forecast, just try to get rid of the drawing and everything from me and now. So we can literally do from the top down from the scratch now. So let's have a look at the monthly now. So the monthly is about to close. So there is some sort of the things we literally see in this market now because the last week, a week before, we did not close with the topic. So there's a very high chances it's a 50-50 goes up and 50-50 come back. So we're not going to take a risk. Now we come down and we barely close with a low wick now. But if you're looking on the monthly time frame, we did move a lot now and we are expecting this pullback. So maybe another one going to come down here because this month is about to finish very soon. I think there's only 1 week or left now, so it's the 22nd today. So there's only like a week left now, and then we will expect this market maybe keep pushing down, or we might see that leaving the week, and then before we're gonna proceed it down. So the monthly time frame down nothing different as compared to because the no top week we'll expect it to go further down, which is down. Looking at the weekly time frame now. This is what we find on the weekly time frame last one when looking at it now. So the weekly time frame has the support around here. We have the support around here. Market moving up, but we find something again and again. We're closing with the no topic. Yes, we're moving up, but no topic again. It's a very high chance we're gonna keep pushing down. Ultimately, we're gonna go fill this week. Am I gonna start popping on? And then this is the retracement. Now we finally break this level. So weekly time frame could touch the weekly support, close something like this. Anything possible, we still expect to come right down here now. Or if not, we can expect the weekly time frame should start retracing, which means we start forming the green candles around here and start going potentially back up. But remember, this is only retracement goes on. I am not interested for a buy in this market now. I will be waiting for the market to find the resistance. Once the resistance is formed, then I'm ready to willing to sell this market all the way down here to the support level. And then if the market want to go willing to go right down here now, and we will be looking around right around this area. And if no, we're not interested. But again, we need to see how this candle close. Maybe this candle literally goes down like this now. So that is the sign for us now on the weekly time frame. We hit the support, we close with a nice decent candle. We're not gonna keep pushing up. So then I will be interested for the buy. Otherwise, I'm not gonna look for the potential buy on this one. Again, it's a weekly time frame. We're not really trading well. Should have keep an eye. I'm not moving towards the daily time frame now. Now I will definitely mark the levels up now. So looking at the daily now, we got the resistance somewhere around here. Marking the support, we have the support which is taken out. Now we got the support right at the bottom here now. And this is where the wick will coming in the part now. So the weekly time frame coming towards the, sorry, in fact daily, coming towards the support area now. So now we will expect this market if on a daily time frame, if we manage to close something like this, then we have a very, very high chances we're gonna correct all this move back up. If not all, at least half of it or some of it. Now we should be expecting like this to be happen because this market has been going down now. But we see, sorry, last week Monday and Tuesday we closing the two dojis candle on the daily time frame now, so which we have a breakout here. But we're closing two dojis candle, we can't determine which way we're going. And then after the market start going down, again we break it close below here. The next day we close below here. Again we manage to close below here. But the problem is we're moving way too far down. So I cannot take any selling this on the base of the daily. But maybe the 4 hour telling us something different. That's where we need to keep an eye now. Looking in the 4 hour time frame. So now looking in the 4 hour 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, we had this support coming from here now, which is taken out, and we literally got this major support left now, which is coming from somewhere on 8th of January, first almost 3 months. So what potentially looking at these circumstances now, I will look to keep an eye on this most current price action now. So what I would love to do in this case now, since we had the breakout happen on H4 now, I love to see the H4 should start pulling back itself now. So which mean I would love to see some sort of the retracement gonna happen. But again, same old story. I am not interested in a buy on these candle because this is the retracement goes on and I am not willing to buy. I'm only waiting for the resistance to be formed. Once the resistance form, then my job is to start looking for the potential setup now like this. Then I know this is the range the market can test. A week to low taken out, we should expect market come. If we break it, that's better for us now. If not, this will be the first target of the line where we try to target this market now. but I need a range. I need the market to pull back now. It could be coming around here. If this thing doesn't work out, for example, the market goes up now and the market is not making the resistance, the market keep pushing up top side now, so which is absolutely fine for me now. We can't force the market now to go back on the top side. In this regard, now we literally wait for the market to keep pushing up. Then I will be waiting around here now for my rejection setup now. So we'll see if we come around here nice and clean. Then I want the same old story happen again here. I want the candle to be closed as red. So now for my rejection setup now, I got every single confirmation is met now. First, we have a clean range which has been done. We have the resistance already there which is done. And now I need a clean candle, a confirmation candle, which I need it in term to determine like we're gonna go bearish. And this is the candle happen. So we have the resistance here which has been tested, which is rejected. Now we got the confirmation candle. So this is where I'm gonna pull my trigger around here on this low. I want these low taken out. But same old story. The market definitely make the upper wick first before taking the low out, and I will be expecting this market to continue pushing towards the downside. This will be the move I will be looking for. But again, it depends on how the market move. Because the last couple of weeks, every time you opening was very high, but that's what it is now. The 4 hour literally have won the market to pull back now. To M30. Right, looking at M30 now. M30 got the resistance around these two part now. So M30 I will be looking around here now. Right, I'm not looking for the potential buy at the moment now. The buy is only valid if the market move away from the support for a time being like this. Then come back down at the support level, retesting it. Then you can take the sell trade if you want it. If no, then I will be waiting for the market to come back down here, start rejecting it. So this candle is enough for me to take a buy, and then I will be looking for the potential buy. We don't start taking an eye out. This is where I'm going to look for here now. The first target around here, if we break and close above, which is absolutely fine. If I did not get this trade somehow here now, so I will be looking because the market is moving up now. We have the breakout. The first thing I will be looking around here, give me the impulse candle regardless of the color. I don't mind. Then I will be looking for the continuing the trend now. If that thing doesn't happen on after the breakout, we moved a lot now. Then I really want this market to start retracing since I know the breakout happened. So I will be waiting for this market to start retracing again. Now, whenever we find the support in this market now, I'm happy to take the trade. So which means now I'm going to pull my trigger around here, wick down, start taking the high out. The first line of the target right around here will take 80%, 90%, whichever you want. And then we can expect this market to continue to push it towards the top side. Then we need to see how the 4 hour doing it. At the moment, I am not interested in this type of the candle now, what exactly the market doing. This is the sideways market goes on. And I'm not interested in here now because what we're looking in this, literally looking on the 4 hour time frame, now the market is literally clear itself where we heading towards now. We went on range after the breakout. So we have a breakout happen, impulse movement happen. So if I'm gonna mark this area now, so we have the impulse trade movement happen. We went sideways, we drop again, then we further drop. But before this drop, we went sideways again on here for a time being, and then we drop again. So now after every single movement as impulsive now, we went in a sideways now. So this is where we need to be careful now. So we don't really want to see this market goes. Now we again breakout happen now. So now we will expect the market maybe goes sideways for a time period of the time now. And then we look to see the breakout happen. And that's where we try to look for the potential buy towards the top side now. And we will see how the thing work out. Apart from that, literally nothing. We need to keep an eye what's going on as a fundamentals now. Anything with the dollar, I'm sure there will be some news coming on for the interest rate and some sort of stuff. So that's where we need to keep an eye now. But apart from that, literally the market look rock solid now. Again, the high time frame is better for us now because that's where we determine, because the one of the main reason when we see the crash happen last week was determined by this. We had the support here. We managed to close below the support. The next candle, which was this candle, leaving the top wick with a small bottom, and that's the way the market actually start. And this is after the breakout, we stays below the breakout area now, and then we can expect the move down, and then you can see the market literally just keep crushing. And this is why it's very important to determine the trend, which way we exactly looking for it now. If we find the trend now, It's easier for us now to go align with it now. For example, let's say I'm 30. Yeah, let's have a look. Yep. Let's say for the example now, so we're looking around here now. So we come all the way around here. We make around here now. So now I will be looking for the potential sell-off, but the problem is this candle is filling the range itself now. So now I can't take any further sell now. So now in this case, now I'm waiting for the market to get out of this range. Market come out of the range. Obviously, again, the Asian session coming on play. We keep going up now. We need to see, okay, I will be looking for the potential sellout here. If no, I'll look for the potential sellout here. We never get there. But one thing is definitely certain for us now. Once we break out this specific area around this one, now we can clearly see we're moving a lot on the upside now. So now I have a breakout. We moved a lot now. So now I want this market to come back down. So now I got the support around here. Market got the find the new resistance. Now I want the market to come down, find the support, and goes back up. And this is where what we find out in this market on this candle, green one. But no top wick, no bottom wick. We ideally want this market should be closing somewhere like this candle. The candle close itself fine. There's no wrong with it. But the wicks, no top wick. We literally want this kind of market to close like something top and bottom wick. We should have executed our trade here, and you can see the market literally tapping the target and then start crashing. That will be our trade, and we'll be out of the market inside an hour. 30-minute candle will be out, and you can literally see, okay, we don't know. If we jump on further down on M15, I'm not sure which one was it. If we further down on M15, that's happened on Friday. Yeah. So if we further down on M15 now, so this is where we're potentially looking for the buy around here now. I think somewhere around this candle, somewhere around, we're potentially looking for the year. But again, we need to keep an eye how the things work out. But it is what it is now. We can't get in the market on base of the sentiment. We need to see exactly what we're looking for. So, sorry, it's a 15 minute. Yeah. So the 30-minute time frame, literally, this is an inch perfect trade, and this is a part of the trading plan, which is says if we have a breakout happen and moved a lot, then I will be waiting for the pullback. I can't take sell trade according to the way I trade because I had no confirmation for the sell. I will wait for the market to come back down. Market come back down, find the support, but no topic. If there was a topic, something like this, I'm happy to pull the trigger, retesting the high. That would say easily could give us something. I'll have a look. Say if we had over week, stop loss in the current candle low. We're targeting around here. So this is around 400 pips, while the stop loss will be 138 pips. Yes, the stop loss on a bit higher side, but we have to reduce the lot size to manage it. But again, this is part of the trading plan. I traded. And then same old story happened. Be careful, baby. Then same old story happening here now. Once we had the breakout happen, once we had the breakout happen around this area now. So we were looking for market to come around here. Market at the breakout. We had the support around here. I will be looking for the potential buy around here, but the no top wick. Market is a bare minimum wick. As it did not make the low wick, we want the market goes up. I would have take a buy around here to correct this move again. But again, we need to keep an eye. Maybe the 4 hour, this is only making the top wick before we launching ourselves big crazy downside on the 4 hour now. So it's potentially the upper wick coming on the 4 hour. So we have to be extra careful now. Apart from that, literally nothing we really can do. So that's it. So currently do we need a clean range to trade it now. So hopefully the market opening the normal now. And let's see where we're gonna take us from after that now. Most likely see you live for the London session anyway, 6:30 GMT. So take care of yourself. Probably see you tomorrow at the London Open. Until then, bye bye.